Grownzy is a really cute company that makes products for babies, and this is no different. So this is a baby nasal aspirator, and right away you might be like, what is that? Really, it's just a vacuum to help clear their nasal passageway. I love that it comes in a nice little box here, so everything is all kept together. You're not going to be fumbling looking for parts. So you have the actual device here with the top part where it is actually going to be collecting any of that snot on the inside. You have 3 different tips on to switch out the top depending. So you have these 2, which are quite similar and different sizes, and this one's kind of more on an angled. So depending on, how old the baby is and how big their nostrils are, that will be what you'll be using. So this, very easy. You just pop it on top and then you twist. So right there, it is on there. Very simple to use. You have your power on, so I'm just going to hold that down and it's going to start right away. And you have 3 different modes. So this is kind of like your light, your medium, and your powerful. And honestly, like, that is quite powerful. So obviously, again, depending on how old your child is and how stuck it is up there will depend on, what mode you want to put it on. Something that I think is really cute, there's also like a little light, so it will light up here on the top. And I'm going to turn this down so you can hear better. There's even like little soothing music. So when you are here, if you can hear that, when you're holding the baby, you can have some music playing. I believe there's like different kinds of sounds. And so I think it's really cute. I love the look of it. Really sleek, easy to hold, not too heavy. But yeah, really easy. You're holding your baby and then you just get that out of there to make sure that they're nice and clear and able to breathe.